This stylish white washing machine from Hoover is perfect if you're looking for an eco-friendly model with amazing features. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a large 13 kilogram drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. The convenient auto-dose system has been formulated to give fabrics specialist care. Your detergent capsules are measured for precise cleaning power and released into the drum at the perfect point in the wash. So, whether you're washing delicate silks or expensive outdoor wear, caring for your clothes is incredibly simple. Thanks to Hoover's clever Total Care program, you can now wash different colors and fabrics at the same time. It washes at a cool 30 degrees to clean your clothes without the colors running. This means your clothes will come out looking as good as new, so you needn't worry about mixing work shirts with your favorite dress. If you're looking for an eco-friendly washing machine with amazing features, this stylish white model from Hoover is an ideal choice.